Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. I'm going to be showing you guys a little plant that I just got started. These just popped out a couple days ago and they've grown hugely. There's 4 of them that I planted. This one hasn't come out yet. This one's doing okay, and it looks like I got a little tomato or pepper or something growing next to it here. I probably just had that left in the pot and it didn't germinate before. But anyway, so I got these seeds from my mother, and these are an edible flower called monk's cress or Indian cress. There's another name too, garden nasutrium, I think, or something like that. I'll put in the description the actual name and link to some more information. But basically, this is an edible flower. It's very pretty, and it's very nutritious, and you can eat all parts of the plant apparently, including the roots, the stem, the leaves, the flower. The whole thing is edible. It has a really high amount of vitamin C, and it's actually the highest source of lutein available. Lutein is an important, I guess, component to eyesight and good eye health. I'll add some more information here, and I just wanted to show it to you guys. I'm looking forward to seeing these grow, and I'll show them to you as they grow, but maybe I'll insert a picture of kind of what they're supposed to look like here once they're kind of fully, formed. And yeah, let's, I don't know, maybe do like a time lapse, and I'll show them to you as they grow, and I'll also tell you guys about some of the health benefits of eating these. Also, taste-wise, they are a very interesting kind of, almost like peppery kind of tasting flower. So they're really great to add to, salads and stuff like that, or any other kind of like raw foods, because they really add a bunch of flavor, and it's very interesting. It's kind of reminiscent of watercress, I guess, but more like spicy, like a little bit peppery. So yeah, I've had these before from my mother's garden, like way back when I was still living in the US, and I did enjoy them. So I'm really glad she gave me some seeds, and hopefully I'll be able to get some seeds from these as they grow. So stick with me, I'll show them to you as they progress. I just wanted to show you guys the flowers up close so you can see how pretty they are. I did just eat a couple of petals just as a taste test. I had never tried them before. They don't taste much like anything, to be honest. They don't have like neither a sour nor a sweet nor bitter. Almost seems like a very neutral kind of, almost like a salad or something. Kind of bland. So I think they look pretty. I'm sure we could add them to stuff like in salads, and then basically get some nutrients, but without really altering the taste of anything that you're making. So it's really cool. I think they're very beautiful too. I mean, there's so many different kinds, different flowers, different colors. Like that one has a totally different shape. These are a little different. These orange ones and these red ones. This one's really pretty, this dark reddish color. Try to get it to focus here. I don't know if it will. There we go. It's really nice. And then, of course, there's yellow ones and red ones, and I don't know, it's just really cool. So, just think it's nice to grow these because they're protecting the tomatoes, as I've talked about before, but they're also pretty and they also bring in pollinators. Oh, there's some really nice yellow ones in there. Really cool. So yeah, it's really good. Oh, nice. Got some more tomatoes to harvest in here pretty soon. I'll leave those for another day or so. Maybe they'll get a little bigger.